Thank you for allowing me to come and see you, King Bill. You are a truly honorable man.
It better be important, you bland inept non-league gamer. What the fuck do you want, Nigel?
Thank you, King Bill. My squad is fucking dog shit. I cannot put a team together capable of winning a football match and I have no talent. Do you want to exchange any players?
No, I do not, you spoon-fed, live off of Dada's success pissant. Where do you get the cheek from to come into King Bill's office and ask such an absurd question? Clown.
So sorry, King Bill. I do not know where else to turn. I thought I could come back to my real home for some advice, as I know you are the next best thing to Daddy. I really miss Daddy.
Fuck right off, sheepshagger. King Bill doesn't give advice to clueless Derby inbred ignoramuses. I do not want any, not one of your wank squad. Now fuck off.
Not even Robert Savage?
Lily Savage? Are you having a fucking laugh? Why would I want that lion-faced con man? He's never been a footballer. He's everything that is wrong with football. Fucking lion-faced cunt. Where is your dignity, man? I should get Big Wes in here to fuck you over, but I have too much of a soft spot for you. Now get the fuck out of my office, you little pipsqueak prick.
Oh, King Bill, what a fool I've made out of myself. I am so sorry.
Unacceptable. Get out. Oh, wait one moment, Nigel. Pop over the Trent and see those wankers next door. Those poor bastards could do with some of your talentless pricks. Now fuck off.